guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video, I'm excited. I'm finally trying something that has caught my eye for quite some time. I'm just going to adjust my lighting. Hold on. I think that's better. Alright, so I have been really wanting to try the Victoria Beckham Beauty eyeliners. So I bought two. If you sign up, I think they give you like a welcome discount code and you get like 10% off. That's what I did because I gotta save money. No. It's always good to like save a little bit of money. I really wanted to try these for quite some time, and then like I recently have been bombarded with like ads from Instagram, from Facebook, and a couple of my friends told me to try it. Emily, if you're watching, you definitely have been an influence for this. So I'm excited we're going to try it together. So these, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a Kajal eyeliner. Now, I don't know if it's a true Kajal, but it's Kajal inspired. So I picked up two colors. This is the box. These do retail for, I believe, $28 each, and you can get the sharpener. It's $2. So I got the sharpener because it was recommended, and I always like to get at least one sharpener because I know that the quality is going to be really good. Even though for the price point, it's pretty good. It was $2, right? So I always like to get the sharpeners that are suggested with that particular product, because if you use one that's not, or let's say you get one from the dollar store that's not that great, it'll like really chew up that pencil. But it's pretty standard. I was looking at it. It has like a German blade or something, or it'll say it's made in Germany. That's what it looks like. Nothing fancy. It comes with a little stick that you're supposed to clean the like shavings out with. Alright, now I told you I saw these all over Instagram. I saw them all over Facebook, and what got me was the up-close application. This looks like a gel liner when it's applied onto the eyes. It's unbelievable. And then I did have my friend Emily send me swatches. So I was like, all right, I'm going to go for it. I like to go with the tried and true colors, black, brown. These are specifically called black and cocoa or cocoa. This is what it looks like. It definitely feels like a luxury kind of pencil. That's what they look like. Let me do it this way. So pretty. It's got like a gold print on it. The pencil feels like it's a wooden pencil. It has two sides. You have the smudger on the back, and then you also have the point in the front. Let me just open this without you to pull it. I don't know. It was just like on really well. And that's the front. Kind of reminds me of like a gel pencil, the cocoa one. So I'm gonna swatch them for you. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Let me do it this way. Okay, that's very creamy. I think I needed to just apply a little more pressure with that black one. Wait a second. The brown one is really good. The black one is very sheer. I don't understand. Did I get a bad one? I definitely need to email the company because this must be a bad batch, because that is not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to be a nice, deep, rich black liner, just like how this one is like nice and rich. This is almost like transparent. I don't know. It must be a bad batch. I've seen a ton of reviews on these and nobody's looks like that. So I'll reach out to them and see what they say. So I guess we're just going to play with the brown one today. So it's like a kind of like a gel pencil. That's what it looks like. It's a beautiful brown shade. Like it really is like a true cocoa. Like it's definitely a warm brown, but I'm excited to try it. So we're going to try it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to come in really close and I'm going to start lining my eyes. Now what caught my attention about this pencil is the way it just glides on. Look at this. Guys, that looks like a gel liner. That was like simple. So simple. And now, let's see, I'm going to wing it out a bit. just like that. I'm going to connect it. Oh my goodness. This is incredibly creamy and so easy to use. So if you have mature skin, if you kind of struggle, like this just glides over the eye. Oh my goodness. Let me do this side so you guys could see. Again, take your time when you're lining your eyes. This you barely even have to put any pressure. It just glides so pretty. Wow, this is amazing for the hooded line too, because it's so smooth. That's insane. Oh no. I just need to kind of fix that little corner. Wow. Now, one thing I'm seeing is that the point of the pencil is pretty, like, it's very creamy. So you're not going to want to push very hard. You're going to keep it very gentle. But the littlest amount of pressure is definitely enough to get the product on the lid. That's so pretty. All right, I gotta even out my wings because they're not even right now. Hang on. That's so creamy. Oh my goodness. All right, so now I kind of want to line the inner part of my, like my waterline. I want to see how it looks. These are really nice. Okay. So aside from the black one being, I don't know what's up with it, this brown one is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. It's so, so beautiful. I really wish the black one worked. I will email them and see what is going on. But these are beautiful. Hopefully, try the black one. Hopefully you don't get a bad batch. But this is, look at this. How pretty is that? And honestly, the reason why I ended up going with it was because I had a customer that came in the other day and her liner was, I was like, what's your liner? And it was this one. So definitely a good purchase. Oh my God, this is really pretty. Like I want to get back into doing liner, and this is like super creamy. It's just like a nice true brown. And I always feel like brown liner like this always make brown eyes pop. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And I'll see you in my next one.